Hey everybody, Mike DiDonato here from Fiamma Canada, and today we're going to be running a cleaning cycle on the Jura GIGA 6. What you're going to need to complete this process are the Jura cleaning tablets. You use one per cycle. They come in a 6-pack or a 25-pack. In addition to that, small pro tip, I always like to get a nice receptacle, cup, or large container to put underneath the central spouts to connect any spent water. Your machine will indicate it's time to clean when you see a red symbol on the bottom left corner of the screen. Going into the main menu by pressing the central button, you'll have a message that says clean in big red bold letters. You select the cleaning that begins the process. The first thing the machine will ask you to do is immediately remove the tray. Always remember to lift up both spouts in the middle and left side of the machine, remove the tray, empty it, and put it back in place. At this point, you will begin the cleaning cycle. Your machine will then ask for a cleaning tablet. You're going to open the pre-ground bypass, insert one tablet, and click start. At this stage, you'll want to put the receptacle under the central spouts, and the machine will begin its cleaning process. Once you've done all those steps, the cleaning process is complete. Thanks for watching how to clean the Jura GIGA 6. Don't forget to check out our Instagram at Fiamma_Canada for some fun and cool content, and check out our website www.fiamma.ca for all your cleaning and maintenance product needs.